Hey everyone, Dustin Wozniak here with DW Mortgage, here today to talk to you about mortgage payment options. Now there are a lot of options to choose from when selecting your mortgage payment, so to help make the choosing process a little bit easier, I'm going to take a few minutes and just break down what these options look like, what their advantages may be, and who might best benefit from each particular payment option based on your life and your finances. Okay, the first option that we're going to discuss is monthly payments. So the most common payment option for homeowners is monthly. As simple as it sounds, you'll make one payment per month on the same day each month. This method is great for those budgeting, as most home budgets are built around a monthly in, monthly out model, so determining the monthly out from the mortgage amount is a little bit easier to account for. The next option that we're going to discuss is bi-weekly. So the English language is a little bit funny, a little bit tricky at times. Yes, bi-weekly can mean two things. It can either mean twice a week, or it can mean once every 2 weeks, okay? When we're talking about mortgage payment options, we're talking about the latter, meaning that your payments will come out of your account every 2 weeks. This payment option is great for people that want to match their mortgage payments to other payments, such as incoming paychecks perhaps, or outgoing car payments, or other bill payments. To calculate a bi-weekly payment, take your monthly payment, times it by 12, and divide that total by 26. Okay, generally speaking, this payment schedule does not, however, make much of a difference on how quickly your mortgage is paid off. But what it will do is perhaps over a 5-year term, it might save you at most a couple $100 in interest, strictly due to the fact that your payments are coming out a little bit more frequently. So if your goal is to pay off your mortgage as quick as possible, if your goal is to pay the least amount of interest possible, then don't get caught up in the hype that a bi-weekly payment schedule is going to save you thousands and pay off your mortgage faster, because in reality it will not. And the next option we're going to talk about is weekly. So if you want to set a certain day of the week that works best for your mortgage payment, this option will withdraw your mortgage payment weekly on that day. For those with variable income that get paid in or out on different days of the week, sometimes this is a good option because it minimizes the actual payment dollar amount for each payment. And this allows time for a paycheck to come in before the next payment is due. The weekly payment can be determined by multiplying your monthly payment by 12 and dividing it by 52. Okay, the next payment that I want to talk about is accelerated bi-weekly. So if you want to pay off your mortgage faster and you want to pay less interest, this is the payment option for you. When you choose an accelerated bi-weekly payment, the payment is calculated by dividing your monthly payment amount by 2. So to use simple numbers, if your mortgage payment is $1,000 a month, your regular bi-weekly payment would be around $461 per month. Okay, with an accelerated bi-weekly payment, your payment would come out on the same date, same schedule as the regular bi-weekly payment. However, your payment would now be $500. So that's about $40 more per payment. Okay? What that means is that with the accelerated option, you will have paid $13,000 annually, whereas with the monthly or bi-weekly, you will have only paid $12,000 annually. So you've essentially paid an entire extra mortgage payment in that 1 year. So last but not least, accelerated weekly payment options. So this option gets a similar result as the accelerated bi-weekly, except that instead of every 2 weeks, you would pay every week. So this model divides your monthly payment by 4, or you divide your accelerated bi-weekly payment by 2. Using this model, you would pay the same amount of $13,000 based on our simple calculations over a 12-month span as the accelerated bi-weekly. So which is essentially that same 1 month of additional payments over a standard payment option, any of the unaccelerated options such as a regular monthly or regular bi-weekly or weekly. So that is the gist of all the mortgage payment options available to you. If you have questions about mortgage payments or are interested in possibly switching your mortgage payment schedule, please reach out to me. I'd love to discuss it with you and see what option might work best for your particular situation. Otherwise, if there's anything else you need to know about your mortgage or any mortgage finance questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye now.